how to connect Bybit Wallet with Pixelverse Dashboard. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Bybit Wallet with the Pixelverse Dashboard. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Bybit app and navigate to the Web3 section. Then click on dApps and paste the Pixelverse Dashboard URL, which I've provided in the description. After pasting, you'll see a wallet icon at the top left corner. Click on that icon and from the list of options, select Bybit as your wallet. After that, choose the Ethereum network, click on Connect and sign the signature request. Then input your device password, the one you used while creating your Ethereum wallet. If you don't have an Ethereum wallet yet, you'll need to create one. Once done, click on Confirm and your wallet address will be successfully connected. Next, copy the connected wallet address and go to your Pixel tab bot on Telegram. Over here, click on the wallet icon at the top right corner, select Bybit and paste the wallet address that you copied. And you'll see that your wallet has been successfully connected to both the Pixelverse dashboard and Pixel tab bot. If you face any issues loading the Pixelverse dashboard, refresh the page a couple of times and be patient. So that's how you can connect your Bybit wallet with the Pixelverse dashboard. That's all for this video.